Welcome back to True Growth, where we explore timeless wisdom for a better life. Today, we dive into one of the most breathtaking moments in the entire Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 11, The Vision of the Universal Form. This is the chapter where Lord Krishna reveals his cosmic form to Arjuna, beyond imagination, beyond form, beyond time itself. Whether you're on a spiritual path or just seeking a deeper understanding of life, what you're about to hear will shift your perspective. Let's begin. Arjuna said, "By your grace, O Lord, I have heard this most confidential spiritual discourse, which you have spoken for my benefit, and my delusion is now dispelled. I have heard from you in detail about the origin and dissolution of all beings, and also your inexhaustible greatness, O Supreme Lord, as you have described yourself. So I wish to see your divine form, O greatest of beings. If you think that I am able to behold it, then, O Lord of all yoga powers, show me your imperishable self." The blessed Lord said, "Behold, O Arjuna, my hundreds and thousands of forms of various kinds, divine and of various colors and shapes. Behold the Adityas, the Vasas, the Rudras, the Ashvins, and the Maruts. Behold many wonders never seen before. See now, O Arjuna, the whole universe with all moving and non-moving beings, united in my body, and whatever else you wish to see. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore I give you divine vision. Behold my mystic opulence." Sanjaya describes to King Dhritarashtra how Krishna reveals the universal form to Arjuna. Sanjaya said, "Having spoken thus, O king, the great lord of yoga, Krishna, showed Arjuna his supreme divine form, with many mouths and eyes, displaying many marvelous sights, adorned with many heavenly ornaments, and wielding many celestial weapons, wearing celestial garlands and garments, anointed with divine perfumes, full of all wonders, resplendent, infinite, and with faces in all directions. If 1,000 suns were to rise in the sky at once, their radiance might resemble the effulgence of that great being. There Arjuna beheld the whole universe, divided in many ways, but united in the body of the God of gods. Then Arjuna, filled with wonder and his hair standing on end, bowed his head to the Lord and spoke with folded hands. Arjuna said, "O Lord, I see within your body all the gods and hosts of different beings. I see Brahma seated on the lotus, Shiva, all sages and divine serpents. I see you with infinite forms in every direction, with countless arms, stomachs, faces, and eyes. I see no end, middle, or beginning to you, O Lord of all." The blessed Lord said, "I am Time, the great destroyer of the worlds. I have come here to destroy all people, except you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain. Therefore arise and gain glory. Conquer your enemies and enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They have already been slain by me. Be merely the instrument, O Arjuna. Slay great warriors like Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, and Karna. Do not hesitate. Fight. You shall conquer your enemies in battle." Arjuna said, "I have seen what was never seen before, and my heart is shaken with fear. O Lord of Lords, please show me your four-armed form again." The blessed Lord said, "Out of grace, I have shown you my supreme form, radiant, universal, infinite. No one before you has seen this form, neither by study of the Vedas, nor by sacrifice, charity, rituals, or severe penances can anyone behold me in this form, as you have seen. Do not be afraid or bewildered by seeing this terrible form. With a peaceful heart, behold again my original form." Sanjaya said, "Having spoken thus to Arjuna, Krishna showed his gentle form again and comforted the frightened Arjuna by resuming his normal form. Arjuna said, "O Krishna, seeing this gentle human form of yours, I have now regained my composure and am again at peace." Krishna says, "This form you now see is exceedingly difficult to behold. Even the gods long to see it. But by undivided devotion alone can I be truly known, seen and entered into, O Arjuna. He who works for me, makes me the supreme goal, is devoted to me, free from attachment and enmity toward all beings. He comes to me. You've just heard Chapter 11 of the Bhagavad Gita, the moment where Arjuna glimpses the boundless reality behind all existence. This vision is a reminder. The divine is not outside us, but present in everything and everyone, even in you. If this chapter moved you, inspired you, or sparked curiosity, like the video, share it, and subscribe to True Growth for more wisdom from the Gita, one chapter at a time. And remember, true growth begins within. See you in the next chapter. Jai Shri Krishna.